Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how you can scan your fingerprint when the screen is turned off. So as you can see, currently when I try to scan my fingerprint with the sensor, I cannot because the screen is turned off and this feature is not activated. But when I tap on the power button, after that I'm able to make it. So if you want to make it from the blank screen, you have to choose the fingerprints in the settings. Then you have to go right here for this option, fingerprint always on. So right now when we lock our device and try to unlock, right now we can make it. And of course I will show you how to enter the settings. We have to go for the settings. Next we have to find the biometrics and the security, and here we have to go for the fingerprints. And right here you will be able to find this fingerprint always on feature. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.